In information systems, there are very few female students. And you see this quite a lot from the bachelor's to the master's students, where the students becomes fewer and fewer over time. And actually, internal data shows us that between 23 to 39% of female students drop out of the information systems program. My name is Fumi Kurihara. I am an assistant professor at the Department of Information Systems at the University of Münster, and I am also the founder of Women Plus in Information Systems and the lead of Project Beam. I arrived in summer this year at the University of Münster, and around that time my colleagues were organizing a really cool event. I was just sitting at the back watching the event, and what really struck me was out of the 30 participants who were sitting in the audience, only 2 were female students. And I was quite puzzled, and then I just looked around and started talking to some of my female colleagues, students, and the Mittelbau, and I asked them, is this normal? And they said, yeah. And I said, do you want to do something about it? And they said, sure. So that's how the idea of Women Plus in Information Systems came about.
We research how to design digital technologies, and they need to be inclusive of everyone. We need women at the table to let us know what they need from the design of a digital technology, for example, AI.
In the beginning of my studies of information systems, I often felt unsure if this program actually fits me. And I think one of the reasons is because most of the older students I met, or most of the professors, most of the other students in general, were male students. And I think unconsciously, it's really important that you have other role models or figures you can identify yourself with to really see yourself progressing in those studies and maybe working in that field later.
With the prize money, we intend on addressing 3 challenges. One is the lack of role models. So here we intend on organizing different events where we bring in researchers, people from industry, where the students will have direct access and talking and engaging with these female leaders in different settings. The second challenge is on the issue of lack of confidence. So there's a lot of research that shows, and also anecdotal evidence from our university students, where when it comes to presentation skills, a lot of students have a lot of anxiety. So with the prize money, we intend on organizing workshops with external coaches, where the students will be given various tools that allow them to become more confident when presenting. And third, we intend on addressing the challenge of loneliness. So here we intend on organizing different informal events, such as pizza nights, movie nights, or even meetings at the Christmas market, so that we can create safe spaces for these students to come together. For anyone who is interested in our initiative or our project, please reach out to us on our website. You can find all information there.